In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Steam disk write error in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. I will show you two methods to fix this. So for the first method, from your desktop, you can search for Steam and simply open it. After opening Steam, on the left upper side, you'll find this Steam button. Click on that and open up settings from here. It will show you this bunch of options where you can open this downloads. And on the right window, you'll find these some of more options where you'll find this clear download cache. Click on this clear cache and then simply confirm it. Then you need to open this storage. It will show you your storage here. Here you'll find these three dots. If you click on that, it will show you these some of more options. You have to select repair library. Then it will start repairing your library folder. You can simply close it. So that was the first method to fix Steam disk write error. So to apply the second method, from your desktop, you can search for Steam and click on this open file location from here. Again right click on that and open up its properties. You will be on this shortcut. You have to open this compatibility. From here you have to check this run the program as administrator. Then click apply and OK. And that's it. So these were the two methods to fix Steam disk write error in just few easy steps.